Welcome to MTX Glen Allen. We're located at 11262 Washington Highway here in Glen Allen, Virginia. Today we're kind of showcasing one of our steel racing trailers. So I know we've looked at some aluminum ones, but we also carry them in steel too. So we've got a 28-foot, 10,000-pound covered wagon here. You see you got a generator plug on the front, and if you move around to the side, we'll get to where all the racing magic happens. So on the exterior, we've got two lights in case you need to work on it outside of the trailer. But also, once you go to the inside, you take this nifty little pull-out step up, and you got a fully finished interior. If you look over here, you'll see the cabinets. Plenty of workbench area here for handling any kind of your business needs there. We've got cabinets up top, cabinets in the bottom, recessed D-rings, lights that go all the way down. It's wired for electrical, and you'll see that in a second. So you see we've got a transition flap for getting that low race car in. And on the side here, you see one of the best features, a slide-out tray for the generator. So you can stow your generator here. You don't have to carry it in the bed of your truck. And when you're ready to turn it up and fire up and get ready to race, you slide it out, fire it up, and you plug it into the receptacle on the front. This thing is pretty much ready to race. All you need is a generator and the race car. Once again, this is Derek from Motion Trailer Works Glen Allen. We can be reached at 804-798-2300 if you got questions on the pricing or just about the trailer itself. And we'd love to see you here, 11262 Washington Highway, Glen Allen, Virginia. Thank you, and have a great day.